ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. టుడే లెట్స్ డిస్కస్ ఎ వెరీ ఫేమస్ రామదాస కీర్తన పలుకే బంగారమాయన. దిస్ కీర్తన contains a pallavi and 5 charanams. The Bhadrachala Ramadasa Kirtanas contain a pen name Ramadasa or a mudra that is also seen in the Kirtana. Let's start exploring the Kirtana now. Pallavi Paluke Bangaramayana Kodanda Pani. Paluke, the word or the speech, Bangaramayana, has it become gold? That is, has it become very precious? Kodanda Pani, O bearer of the Kodanda bow, that is Rama. The total meaning of the Pallavi, O Rama, has even a word become as raised as gold? Why don't you speak at all? Charanam 1, the first Charanam. Paluke Bangaramaye Pilachina Palukavemi Kalalo Ni Namasmarana Maruva Chakkani Tandri. Paluke, the word or the speech, Bangaramaye, has become as rare as gold. Pilachina, even when called or addressed. Palukavemi, you don't speak, won't utter a word. Kalalo, in dreams. Ni Namasmarana, remembrance of your name. Maruva, I don't forget or never abandon. Chakkani Tandri, beautiful father or beloved Lord. The meaning of the first Charanam, O beautiful father, even your words have become as rare as gold. Though I call out to you, you don't speak a word. Even in my dreams, I don't forget the remembrance of your name. Charanam 2. ఇరువుగ ఇసుకలోన పొరలిన ఉడుత భక్తికి కరుణించి బ్రోచితివని నెర నమ్మితిని తండ్రి. ఇరువుగా, firmly, ఇసుకలోన, in the sand, పొరలిన, rolled, ఉడుత భక్తికి, to the squirrel's devotion, కరుణించి, showing compassion, బ్రోచితివని, that you protected, nera, completely, నమ్మితిని, I have trusted, Tandri, O Father. O Father, I have truly and completely believed in you because you showed compassion and protected the squirrel who rolled steadfastly in the sand to help you. A squirrel tries to help Rama while building the Rama Setu or the bridge to go to Lanka. So Rama shows compassion towards that small squirrel for the small help that it has contributed. Charanam 3. Rati Natiga Jesi Bhutalamunduна ప్రఖ్యాతి చెందితివని ప్రీతితో నమ్మితి తండ్రి. Rati, the stone, referring to Ahalya, turned to stone. Natiga Jesi, made her a woman again. Bhutalamanduna, in the world or on the earth. Prakhyati, fame. Jentitivani, that you attained or received. Preetito, with love. Nammiti, I have believed. Tandri, O Father. O Father, I have lovingly believed in you because you turned the stone Ahalya back into a woman and gained fame through the world. చరణం 4. ఎంత వేడినను నీకు సుంతైన దయరాదు, పంతముసేయ నేనెంత వాడను తండ్రి. ఎంత వేడినను, no matter how much I plead, నీకు to you, సుంతైన even a little or slightest, దయరాదు mercy doesn't arise, పంతముసేయ to argue with you, నేను ఎంత వాడను who am I, what worth do I have, తండ్రి O father, no matter how much I plead, not even a trace of mercy arises in you. Who am I to argue or contend with you? చరణం 5. శరణాగతత్రాణ బిరుదాంకితుడవుగావ, కరుణించు భద్రాచల వరరామదాస పోష. శరణాగతత్రాణ, protection of those who seek refuge. బిరుదాంకితుడవుగావా, are you not the one adorned with that title? కరుణించు, show mercy, భద్రాచల of Bhadrachalam, వర రామదాస, the noble or esteemed Ramadasa, posha, the one who protects or the one who nurtures. The meaning is, are you not the one famed as the protector of those who seek your refuge? O Lord of Bhadrachalam, protector of the noble Ramadasa, show your mercy. So the Ramadasa is pleading Rama to protect him by giving the examples that he has heard or he has learnt about Rama. You have helped the squirrel, you have helped the Ahalya, so why can't you help me? Because you are the one who protects those who seek refuge. Please show mercy unto me too. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. Thank you very much.